Good morning, student, and welcome to my English literature video. Okay, student, today I will read the lesson the Nina and the baby sparrows. Then I will explain the chapter also. Okay, so all of you open your book and read with me this chapter. The name of your chapter is Nina and the baby sparrows. Okay, let's start reading. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Now student, turn over the page. This page number 16. Okay, page number 16. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry chip chip, asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Oh Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we really? Yes, yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside, so the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Just next page. Think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? Now class, it was the reading of chapter Nina. Now I am going to explain your chapter Nina and the baby sparrows. Who is the writer of this chapter? Here is the name, Pratibha Nath. Pratibha Nath is the writer of this story. Okay, student, this is the story of a girl, Nina, who is very kind girl. Okay, now in this story, everyone was very happy in Nina's house. Why? Because Nina's aunt was getting married, and all the family members of Nina, who is in Nina's family? In Nina's family, there is her father, mother, and little brother. They all are going to Delhi to attend the marriage. Okay. So all four members are going to attend the marriage. All are happy. Father was happy, mother was happy, and Her little brother was happy, but Nina was not happy. Why she was not happy, that I tell you later in this story. Okay, because Nina was going to attend the marriage na, that's why her mother took her to the market to buy new clothes. As you all know, when you went in a marriage है ना, wedding party, तो you all wear your favorite dress ना, आप अपनी पसंद की ड्रेस पहनते हो, new clothes. तो same, Nina's mother also want new dress to the Nina. Okay, so he took the Nina to the market. When they reached in the market, you can see this picture. Here are some kurtas are hanging here, है ना, and also shoes are here, and other sarees and other things are here. She is Nina's mother and this girl is Nina. So Nina's mother asked with Nina कि Nina, what do you want to buy? आप क्या लेना चाहती हो, सलवार कमीज? Then Nina shook her head. Shook her head means he shook her head, मतलब नो के जैसे नो बोलने के लिए हम अपना सिर हिलाते हैं ना, वी शुक अवर हेड ना, तो उसको कहते हैं नो, शुक. ओके, तो शुक हर हेड मीन्स शी सेड नो. देन अगेन हर मदर आस्क्ड विद हर, व्हाट अबाउट दोज लवली वाइट शूज यू सॉ लास्ट वीक? हर मदर आस्क्ड विद हर कि डू यू वांट टू बाय दैट white shoes which you saw last week? Then again Nina said no, I don't want. ठीक है, Nina's mother upset. Now Nina's mother get upset because Nina was saying no to everything. She not bought a salwar kameez and shoes also, that's why. But her mother said nothing in the market, and they came back to the home and they had the lunch. After that, Nina's mother came near to the Nina and then she asked with her कि why you said no to everything? Why you not want a new dress and new shoes? Okay, then Nina answered, mother, I not want to go to the wedding. I not want to go to the marriage party. Then her mother said, why you not want to go to the marriage party? Nina not give the answer. Instead of the answer, the two big tears rolled down her cheeks. She start crying. It means she start crying. Her mother hugged her and said, don't cry my dear baby, and why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Matlab, what is your problem? Why are you saying no for everything? When her mother asked this question with Nina, the more tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. It means she start crying bitterly. Okay, and she said to her mother कि mother, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. She told her mother कि in my room there is a nest of sparrows which is on the bookshelf. Where is the bookshelf? Nest was on the bookshelf. Okay, and she told her mother that two baby sparrows are also there in the nest, and all two baby sparrows are growing. Both the baby sparrows are growing. The feathers are coming out from their body, so they need more and more food. And all day long, the whole day they cry chip chip for the food. Why they cry? Why the babies cry? Baby sparrows, they cry for food because they are growing chicks and they need more and more food to grow. Okay. Then her mother said, oh, I see, this is the problem. Then she suggested to the Nina ki don't worry, it is not a very big problem. We will lock the door from the outside and we will keep open the windows. Okay, we will keep the window open so that the mama and papa sparrows can feed their babies. Understand? And her mother said, we will remove all the things from your room. What her mother suggested? Her mother suggested, we remove all the things of your room and we will lock the door on outside. Understand? Why they remove the all things? Why her mother said, we will remove the all things? I tell, because suppose कि वहाँ चोर आ जाते हैं. Suppose the thief came in the room from the window which is open. So the thief can't steal a single thing. Understand? कुछ भी चीज नहीं चुरा पाएगा because there is nothing. It is empty room. Okay. That's why her mother suggested to remove all the things from the Nina's room. And her mother said, when Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, you are enjoying in the wedding your aunt marriage, the baby sparrow will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Is it good idea? Then Nina became happy. She told her mother, mother, it is a very good idea. Then Nina went to the Delhi with their parent and little brother, and she enjoyed in the marriage. Okay. And when Nina came back from the wedding, she saw two plum means fat. She saw two fat little sparrows was flying all over the room. कौन थे वो दो मोटी मोटी चिड़ियाँ? Yes, these sparrows are those baby sparrows. ये वही चिड़ियाँ थी जो बेबी थी, छोटी बच्ची थी ना. Now it's grown up. अब ये बड़ी हो गई थी. And the both sparrows were flying in Nina's room. Understand? And after seeing the baby sparrows in her room, Nina get thrilled. Became happy. Nina became happy. Understand? It was the explanation of your chapter Nina. Okay, my dear. So how many baby sparrows were there in the nest? Yes, 2. There were 2 baby sparrows in the nest. है ना? And where was the nest? The nest was on the bookshelf in the Nina's room. Whose room? In the Nina's room. Okay. And why the Nina not want to go to the marriage? Nina not want to go to the marriage because there were 2 baby sparrows in her room and she was worried about those baby sparrows. Okay. Now my dear student, here is one work. You can see this work here, short form. In this chapter there are so many words in their short forms. For example, this DON, T, don't. What is it? Don't. It is the short form of do not. Okay, don't is the short form of the do not. Same what's. This word is also in your where? In your book, in your chapter. The full form of what's is what is. Okay, theirs. Short form theirs and full form of theirs is there is. This is their short form and this is full form they are. They are and this is they are. Again here we, then comma and double L. Its full form is we will. We will. We read it, we will. Okay. Now it is that. Full form that is. Isn't. Full form is not. Wasn't, was not. Understand? These are short forms and these are the full forms of these short forms. Okay, understand? Student, you have to learn all these words. You have to learn all these words. Okay. Now I will tell you how you will do your work again. In the beginning of our Zoom classes, I told you how you have to do your work. Now again I am going to tell you about your work. Okay. So listen, my dear class. This is your work which I gave you, है ना? And you have to do, you have to follow the same pattern in your all work, in your all chapter. Okay, all work of all chapters. This is your content. Content means which work you are going to do in this chapter. In this chapter, Nina's and the baby sparrow. In this chapter, you have to do difficult words, word meaning, question answer, reference to context, fill in the blanks, true false, think and write, make sentence. Okay. After this, you have to write difficult words. Pay attention towards the letter. See this difficult word. D is capital, W is capital. And your all difficult words I written in small letter. You can see market. M of market is small letter. B of bother is small letter. All the words are in small. So you have to write these all words. You have to start all these words with small letter. Understand? You do this work in one page only because you are having 4-line notebook na. After this, word meaning. First you have to write down word meaning here. Then start your word meaning. And you can see again all the words are start with small letters. Yes or no? Yes. So you have to write all the words with small letter of word meaning. Okay. Then question answer. Here is your question answers. Follow the pattern. Question answer. Question capital letter, answer start with capital letter. So same you have to do like this. And you can leave one line also. But you are class 3 na, so ऑलरेडी देयर इज अ लाइन, है ना, तो नो नीड टू लीव द लाइन. दीज आर योर क्वेश्चन आंसर. देन रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट. This is your work of reference to context. You have to write the line and then question. After that you have to write the reference to context with capital letter. In this reference to context, you have to write the name of the chapter and the name of the writer. Okay, I written here this line has been, it is a single line na, so we will write this line has been. Okay, this is a single line, so we will write before giving the answer of these two questions. Who said this line to whom and who was crying? So before giving the answer these two questions, we have to write the reference to context of this line. इस लाइन को हमें पहचानना है और देखना है कि कौन से लेसन से आया है. उस लेसन का हमें नेम लिखना है और उस लेसन के राइटर का नेम लिखना है. उसके बाद हमें इन दो क्वेश्चन के आंसर देने हैं. ओके, लाइक दिस. दिस लाइन हैज़ बीन टेकन फ्रॉम लेसन नीना एंड द बेबी स्पैरोज, रिटन बाय प्रतिभा नाथ. अंडरस्टैंड? आफ्टर दिस you have to write the answer of question number 1. Who said this line to whom? So this line, Nina's mother said this line to Nina. Who was crying? Nina was crying. Understand? And this is next line. There is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, full stop. And there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest, full stop. Full stop means from there to room, it is a one line, and from and to till nest, it is another line. Means here are 2 lines, there to room 1 and to nest second line. Okay, again you have to write the reference to context. Because these are 2 lines, so we will write here these lines have been taken. अगर एक लाइन होती है तो हम लिखते हैं this line has been taken, but here are 2 lines ना, प्लूरल है, 2 प्लूरल होता है, so we will write these lines have been taken from Nina and the baby sparrows, written by Pratibha Nath. What is the difference between the both reference to context? Only this line. These lines have, these 3 word are changed. पहले वाले से ये प्लूरल जब 2 लाइन्स होंगी तो हम ये वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे, और जब सिर्फ एक सिंगल लाइन होगी तो हम लिखेंगे दिस लाइन हैज़. अंडरस्टैंड? देन योर क्वेश्चन, who said these lines to whom? So Nina said these lines to her mother. This is the answer of this question. Again, where is the nest? Answer, the nest is on the bookshelf in Nina's room. Understand, student? In your exam, you will get marks for this reference to context also. आपको इस रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट में भी मार्क्स मिलेंगे. यू विल गेट द मार्क्स. एंड सपोज दिस इज द दिस क्वेश्चन आई विल गिव यू 2 marks. ओके, तो आई विल गिव यू 1 marks फॉर रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट बिकॉज यू आर राइटिंग द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर एंड द नेम ऑफ द राइटर. 2 थिंग यू आर डूइंग ना, हाफ हाफ. तो you will get 1 marks and half marks for this answer and half mark of this answer. Understand? Suppose you are writing answers only, you are not writing this reference to context in your exam. So I will give you only 1 marks for 2 answers. Understand? So 1 marks will be deduct. 1 marks आपके कट जाएंगे because you not written the reference to context. In your exam, only few students written the reference to context, and most of the students of all class 3 A and B in both section Very few students written this reference to context. So I deduct 1 mark. Okay. So from for next time, remember, don't forget it. You have to write reference to context and answers both. Okay, my dear student. And thank you for watching my video. Now I will meet with you in my Zoom class. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.